The voices blend and fuse in clouded silence, silence that is the infinite of space. And swiftly, silently, the soul is wafted over regions of cycles of generations that have lived. A region where great twilight ever descends, never falls on wide sage-green pasture fields, shedding her dusk, scattering a perennial dew of stars. She follows her mother with ungainly steps, a mare leading her filly foal. Twilight phantoms are they yet, moulded in prophetic grace of structure, slim shapely haunches, a supple tendinous neck, the meek apprehensive skull. They fade, sad phantoms, all is gone.